Dan simpelnya kalian itu menjemput gitu ya si tamu asing atau lokal yang ingin menuju ke hotel, nanti bisa lanjut ke perjalanan yang akan kalian tuju, misalkan ke Monas, ke Ancol, itu bisa. Singkatnya itu menjamu tamu, oke? Nah, langsung di transfer out sendiri itu adalah proses pengantaran tamu oleh pemandu wisata atau tour leader, tour guide juga bisa. Nah, kalian itu tugasnya untuk mengantarkan mereka jika kalian tugasnya sudah selesai mengantarkan jalan-jalan. Misalkan tamunya ini dari Belanda gitu kan. Kalau misalkan kita nggak dapat info berapa orang ya, kita nggak tahu siapa sih yang datang, nanti kita malah salah orang gitu kan. Jadi harus detail banget tipenya seperti apa, terus juga rombongannya berapa orang, dan kita harus tahu juga nama-namanya gitu. Baik, di sini ada mengetahui informasi yang berhubungan dengan peserta tur, itu jumlah peserta, nama grup, kelompok usia, dan kebangsaan serta tujuan kunjungan tersebut. Bandara kalian tuh welcome to Jakarta, welcome to Indonesia, thank you for coming to Indonesia, bilang gitu. Terus kalian jangan lupa perkenalkan nama kalian, let me introduce myself, my name is Silvana, I will be your guide in this Indonesia in Jakarta. I will juga nanti ada yang jadi tour guide begitu. Nanti tour guide itu menjelaskan, tour leader itu yang sama aja ya? Beda ya, ada dua, berarti tour guide sama tour leader itu beda. Nanti untuk tour guide itu nanti jelasin tempat destinasinya, untuk tour leader nanti jelasin di bagian dalam bis sama juga yang menjemput itu loh, begitu. Jadi nanti dibagi-bagi aja ya, siapa yang jadi tour guide, tour leader, supir, resepsionis, yang ngambil barang gitu. Bagian itu jadi 8. Ayo,
boleh perkenalan? Dari siapa? Maulina.
Saya dari Lomboknya, Kak.
Oke. Sebelum itu, sebelum kita melanjutkan perjalanan, saya ingin mengkomentari sebentar dan bagasi. Mohon dipastikan untuk Bapak dan Ibu tidak ada barang yang tertinggal.
Ke tour guide-nya ya. Mana tour guide-nya? Mana tour guide-nya?
Ini. Penjelasan singkat mengenai ada yang ingin ditanya? Saya harap semoga wawasan ini bisa menambah edukasi Bapak Ibu di terima kasih.
Ya udah. Ayo.
Oke. Kita sekarang menuju hotel ya.
Ya.
Hotel. Jadi sebagai hotel, mohon untuk dipastikan tidak penting untuk bawaannya dokumen-dokumen seperti paspor dan tiket sudah lengkap. Dan nanti pada pukul 9 kita akan berangkat dari hotel menuju bandara.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I will accompany you as your guide dari your trip in Jakarta. This is our driver. His name is Mr. Adi. Please say hi to Mr. Adi.
Hai.
Hello everyone, I will be your driver during your trip in Jakarta.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now leaving the
enjoy the view of Jakarta because Jakarta.
We're more than happy to help you. May I know who was your flight, everyone? May I know who is the tour leader, please? May I see your visa to make sure we are Indonesia and welcome to Jakarta History Museum. Let me introduce myself. My name is Raffi Triandani. You can see Bang Citra, and I tell the story of Indian culture. More than 10 million people live in this city.
Up front, we have Mr. Dewa, our driver, and we have Mr. Shahid, our co-driver.
My name is Mr. Kamala Kuslana, that you can call me Kamel. I will be your tour guide during your tour in Jakarta, so please don't hesitate to explain anything.
What is your name? Are you
Gustian.
Number 18.
Yes.
Economic. With a population is over 10 million, it is one of the largest metropolitan areas in Southeast Asia. Jakarta
Island and many culture, ethnics and tradition.
Okay, now, yeah. Next, we continue, please.
but you guys can call me Afif, and I will be your guide during your trip in Jakarta. So please don't hesitate to ask me anything, anytime, and anywhere. Before that, I want to explain a little bit about the history of Museum Satria Mandala. Museum Satria Mandala was originally a home for our first president, Soekarno.
Welcome to Indonesia and welcome to Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. Before we continue, let me introduce myself. My name is Christine Natarina Kili, but you can call me Itin or Kitty because my hair is curly. And then I would like to...
His house, the Remit Life into Museum Satria Mandala on 15 November 1971 and was opened by President Soekarno at 5 October 1972.
What is your name before?
My building has inspired by Mua Society. It's the Lampung Traditional Hostel. The function is a place for traditional meeting and president is Insinyur Soekarno with his wife, Mrs. Ibu Ratnasari Dewi. And she was born in Japan with name Naoko Demoto. And then this place was giving the name by Soekarno. Please don't hesitate to ask me anything about the place, the culture, the history, or even you wanna ask me for some help, anytime and anywhere, I will be free to help you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Do you have any question? Alright, if there's no more question, I think this is end of our tour. We apologize if there's any inconvenience here, and thank you for visiting, and it's very nice to meet you. Thank you.
Okay.
Welcome to Indonesia, and what are we going for today? Tangkuban Perahu, Penanjakan Hill, or something maybe? The answer is we're going to the Bromo Mountain, okay? With the Bromo Mountain, before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Evan the Elder Pratama, but you can call me Evan. And we are...
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Are you happy today?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome to Indonesia and welcome to Jakarta. First of all, let me my beautiful name. My name is Eva.
Welcome to Indonesia and welcome to Soekarno-Hatta Airport.
First of all, please allow me let me introduce myself. My name is Nazwa Wanda Alzara. You can call me Nazwa. Photo group. Here. Alright. Are you guys photo group from London?
Yes.
Alright. Welcome to National Airport Bandar Soekarno-Hatta. Welcome to Indonesia. First of all, please may I check your passport and ticket, please?
Of course.
Right. And one more. First of all, please allow me to introduce ourselves. Jenny. We are from 73 Tour and Travel. We will be your tour leader dari your trip in Jakarta. Okay, we will go to the bus in.
Introduce myself, my name is Olivia, you can call me Daniel. I'm your driver during the trip on Tampini Indonesia Indah. So please don't hesitate to ask me anything, anytime, and anywhere. Thank you.
Pada bulan November Yeki,
during our trip in Jakarta. So, while we are on the way to the hotel, I want to tell you guys about a little information about Taman Mini Indonesia Indah and in Jakarta.
And here's for the voucher of breakfast. To 10 p.m. After breakfast, we will meet again in the hotel lobby. If you guys have any experience issues with your room, please don't hesitate to let the receptionist know. And have a comfortable night and pleasant rest. Is your room 402, 403, and 404.
Alright, please hand the mobile, contact by my phone, and then the payment.
I'm excited because we're going on our destination. Yes, glad to hear that. But before that, please make sure you have your belongings with you and step carefully. Let's go, guys.
I wish all of you is healthy and excited because right now, today, we will visit the Taman Mini Indonesia Indah.
Okay, thank you, Miss Junila.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
Welcome to Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. Before we start, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Didi Mardiani, and I will guide you to
Sumatra Pavilions. My name is Citra Fitrian Meli. You can simply call me Citra. I will explain these pavilions in 10. Sumatra Pavilion is one of province in Taman Mini Indonesia Indah.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How was your sleep last night? Are you guys already have breakfast? No?
Yes.
How the hotel? Is it very nyaman?
So good.
Okay, so before we leave the hotel, make sure all of your belongings are complete and nothing is left behind. I will handle the checkout process while you guys can follow Mr. Rahman to the back.
Okay.
May I have your acceptance?
Okay.
So follow me, guys.
Okay. Thank you.
I want to check out your history.
this is your
Says that we do. Okay, guys, see you and next slide.
On our way to the museum, you guys, Mr. Rahman will explain you a little bit about Indonesia culinary and public transportation. Mr. Rahman?
Thank you, Mr. Rafiq. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning.
How are you today? My name is Abdul Rahman Awal. Welcome to Jakarta. The city is not only rich in history, but also famous traditional food and most popular traditional from Jakarta that include kerak telur, nasi uduk Betawi, and soto Betawi. For traditional drinks from Jakarta, it includes